Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I am bringing you this Sunburst look. Yes, it is. It's giving me life right now. Like, I'm so ready for spring and summer to bring on the looks. Yes. Okay, so this is it's everything. Okay, so if you want to see how I got this look, then keep watching, and remember to hit that subscribe button, turn the notification button, because you do not want to miss any of my looks. Like, you see this right here, this greatness, you don't want to miss this. Okay, and what else? Oh yeah, comment, like, subscribe, share, because our family, you see me growing. Like, we getting up there. Like, this year is gonna be amazing. Okay, I already see it, I feel it. It's gonna be good, right? So yeah, and I'm gonna stop talking and go get into this look. Okay, so I already primed my eyes with the Urban Decay eyeshadow base, eyeshadow primer in Original. And for the first color, I'm going into the Sephora Pro Edition palette, well, the editorial one, the other one with the rainbow colors. I'm going to take this peachy color right here, and it's called Aina. And it's going to be like the transition color for everything. And as usual, we're going to tap and blend. Challenge.
I can't say I'd give my all, baby, but tonight I'd risk it all, baby.
Oh, this is the Beige Cosmetics 28 Matte Mattering palette, and we're going to take that dark orange. And these two blending brushes I'm using, they're from Beige Cosmetics. They're their vegan brushes. It's not in a set, but they're the single brushes, and this is the V3 brush.
Arching your back.
Okay, and I'm gonna go back in with that first brush that had the peach on it, and just blend the two together. Back into that Sephora palette and take this. It's like a light purple. I'll show you this. And then I'm also going to take this burgundy from the Saharan too. Lashed Violet looks like this. This is in the Sephora palette. And I'm just going to pack that into the crease. And then blend it. Go into that burgundy and put it on top a little bit, not a lot, just a little.
Arching your back.
Okay, and I'm just going to go back and forth between the two colors to deepen up the crease. Okay, and I'm just going to take some black eyeshadow using that same bullet brush and put this in the crease.
Arching your back.
Okay, and I'm going to take this yellow shadow from the Zulu palette, and I'm going to place it right above that, the first color that I placed down, basically. So I'm going to put this over the pink. That was going into the pink, and it's giving off an orange. And I know I'm kind of working backwards, but that's just how it ended up. So I was going to take this off. I'm like, no, let me fix it and put it in. So, yeah. Okay, so I'm just going to carve out my crease, and I want to take this deep purple from the Masquerade palette and put it on my lid, and then add some black on the outer corner.
Out that butt.
Arching your back. Arching your back.
Watch me pop it like a, watch me pop it like a pro. Watch me pop it like a, watch me pop it like a pro. Watch me pop it like a, watch me pop it like a pro. Watch me pop it like a, watch me pop it like a pro.
Okay, so I did my wing already. Next, I'm going to take the Nyx Vivid Brights liner, and this is in the color Halo. And as usual, I'm just going to put it on top. I put my lashes on. I'm going to take this Nyx Vivid Brights liner and petal and do like a line on the outer part of my wing. Just
Arching your back.
Watch me pop it like a, watch me pop it like a pro. Watch me pop it like a, watch me pop it like a pro. Watch me pop it like a, watch me pop it like a pro. Watch me pop it like a, watch me pop it like a pro.
okay, I'm just going to take this champagne color, my inner tear duct, and a little bit on my brow bone that I'm always using. That's from the Saharan.
Challenge.
I can't say I'd give my all,
Baby.
but
So for highlighter, I'm going to take La Peach and the Maybelline Rose Gold highlighter.
tonight I'd risk it all.
Baby. Arching your back.
Okay, so I'm going to mix in the Nyx Element Lipsticks in Glossy Pale Pink and Glossy Peach. It look like this. This is the pink one. That's peach one.
Arching your back. Arching your back.
And for lip gloss, I'm going to take the NYX Duo Chromatic lip gloss and crushing it.